Kuble pi baro kani day ka mathematics class 9 but kadai jong ka boot MBOSE. Tementang an peteng biang ban Kenya kani ka exercise 1.3 question 1 2 3 ladem menta kani ka question number 4. Question ka ong express 0.9999 dot 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 kemudian 9 by repeat hang ni in the form p by q. Te kani ka yeserim bat kani ka 3. Ni day ban penkelai decimal number sya kani ka form p by q. Nang ta ka ong ni are you surprised by your answer? In what way answer? In sapej balay ka ong kumni. Nang ta with your teacher and classmates discuss why the answer makes sense. Solution ni thok kumni kumju piang esrim bat ka 3 ni thok let x equal to 0.999 dot 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 ni bo kani kadai ka equation 1 but mentang ni multiply kani ka equation 1 by multiplying 1 by ni iba 9 bar repeat tang way digit bar repeat 9 ni multiply da 10 we get nang ta dang ni multiply da 10 hang ni ngin sayo 10x but hang ni ngin sayo kum ni idai ban multiply da 10 ni yo tu hang ni ngi yo biang kum ju but hang ni dang ni multiply da 10 decimal number new decimal point un move shakanika shaka right tang ka way tang si jaka badai tang way 0 1 please move kum ni 9 point sayo 9 kum ni tekani kan sadai ka equation 2 mentang ya minus kani ka 1 but 2 subtracting 1 from 2 we get kani ka 2 10x ni 1x 10x minus x equal ni 9.999 minus yu new 0.999 kadang ni minus ni 10x minus x kadai 9x barang ni 9 minus new 0 9 minus 0 day 9 dan ibu point kini sakmat jong point day 9 sudah dan minus kan day 0 kan day big 9 the x ang ni 9 new 9 dan ra saka right hand side in sayo ni divided 9 9 into 1 9 to 1 kemudian ni la yo 1 by 1 kemudian 1 the ajeng kli ka ong are surprise claim surprise ang ni namar ngitip bau 0.9 uyajan badu 1 tegal day iban long answer 1 namaru uyajan uni 0.9 so 1 nangta ka ong ka next part jong gajing kli ka ong with your teacher and classmates discuss why the answer makes sense yang ni stock ni since 0.999 ni is very close to 1 uyajan badu 1 the answer makes sense 0.9 uyajan badu 1 0.1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 dalam depth 0.9 sawan ni 1.0 1 so the next question gani number 5 ka ong what can the maximum number of digits be in the repeating block of digits in the decimal expansion of 1 by 17 perform the division to check your answer te dangi divide yaw ni 1 daw 17 dangi perform kani ka division ni kat no tuli kita ki digit ba repeat maximum number of digits yang new 17 ngitip baka maximum number of digits number uba hadin jong 17 day 16 kan day 16 kumbang yu iladang divide daw 7 1 by 7 ki number ba repeat ki don real tuli ki digit apo 7 day 6 kamut apo 7 day 6 kadai real tuli ki digit ba repeat kamut ha ni ru 17 kan day 16 the answer ni thok ni answer ni thok the maximum number of digits that can be in the repeating block of digits in the decimal expansion of kan 1 by 17 is 16 less than 17 day 16 ubarit ubahadin jong 17 tengin page hang ni yaka proof by performing the actual division we get tengi perform yaka actual division ni divide hang ni 17 ni divide yo 1 17 to 0 day 0 ibu 1 spo bu decimal point yo 0 17 into 0 ni bu biang 0 hang ni kalong 100 17 into 5 day 85 but remainder ni 10 minus 5 kadai 5 ni 9 minus 8 day 1 add 0 nangta 17 into 8 kadai 136 remainder ni 10 minus 6 day 4 4 minus 3 day 1 1 4 add 0 140 mentang nilai 17 into 8 kadai 136 biang kadai 10 minus 6 day 4 ni lalong 0 to 40 mentang 17 into 2 day 34 remainder day 6 60 kadai 17 into 3 day 51 remainder 9 bu 0 90 17 into 5 day 85 remainder ni 5 50 nilai 17 into 2 day 34 10 minus 4 day 6 4 minus 3 day 1 ya ni 160 ni multiply dau 17 into 9 17 to 9 kadai 153 remainder ning yo 7 0 70 nilai 17 into 4 kadai 68 17 into 4 kadai 68 remainder 2 bu 0 mentang nilai 17 into 1 kadai 17 but remainder day 3 30 nilai biang 17 into 1 yo 17 but remainder ni ngin sayo ni 3 10 minus 7 day 3 2 minus 1 1 0 130 mentang nilai 17 into 7 kan sedai 119 but ni remainder kan sedai yo remainder 10 minus 9 day 1 2 minus 1 day 1 110 mentang nilai 17 into 6 17 to 6 kadai 102 remainder 10 minus 2 day 8 18 nilai biang 17 into 4 17 to 4 ngiyo 68 but remainder ni 10 minus 8 day 2 7 minus 6 day 1 ibu sini long coba to spo kadai 1 2 ngi add 0 120 nilai biang 17 into 7 kan day 119 but remainder day 1 remainder day 1 jo number bang sedang stop kamut sa repeat biang kumjo ini barok kini 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 kan riu teliki digit bar repeat tak ada answer kadai 16. Next pada kan ka question 6 kau look at several examples of rational numbers in the form p by q. Q should not be equal to 0 and where p and q are integers with no common factors other than 1 and having terminating decimal representations dan expansion. Can you guess what property q must satisfy? Q deu denominator ni banapo de denominator. Tika ong ni ladang isim nuksa kini ki rational number pada hakan ke form p by q ngin check yaw new q hakan ukur kom q ka condition jong q ba rational number kan dei kata ka terminating decimal expansion but ladang isim pq artli number kumni ka common factor ka dei betang 1 tengin sim nuksa ni subu ni sim kumni 1 by 10 1 by 10 dangi divide ngiti badai 0.1 kani dei ka rational number ke form p by q p day 1 q day 10 barang ni common factor day 1 mdon common factor sebut dangi sim kumu 2 by 20 kani kadon nya ka common factor nim day 1 tekum kani ngimla ban sim namar ni ka ong common factor ka day 1 by hangning dangi pom 2 into 1 2 into 10 kan day biang kumcu 1 by 10 tekamut ngidai ban sim tangkum kini 1 by 10 day ban sim 2 by 20 namar hang ni ka common factor ka day 2 day 1 dangi sim 1 by 10 nyo 0.1 dangi sim 1 by 100 nyo 0.01 kani ru day terminating tengi i la don 10 100 1000 kum ta ter nyo by terminating but uten dangi wat prime factor su 10 2 into 5 day 10 2 into 5 mut ki factor jong uten day 2 into 5 dangi wat ki factor jong 100 day 2 into 50 2 into 25 5 into 5 nya i 2 2 5 5 kumut 2 square 5 square nge e baki ujo hi 2 5 andre kini ki power ki pair ne 2 2 ne mut 1 1 tengi la ban ong bah ni uni denominator badai q na po da dai dau 10 na ne 100 par bor ka dai terminating but now 10 hi yo e baki prime factor dai 2 5 now 100 2 5 te tang ki power la ban change te hang ning la ban conclude ba ka condition how new denominator ka dai 2 5 te kan ni ka dai tang jing patai hen re ngin tho ba ya ka answer hang ni ka solution ngi lam tho ni we have 1 by 10 1 by 10 ngin divide by 0.1 dai terminating lani 1 by 100 0.01 but ni tip about 10 ki prime factors dai 2 into 5 but 100 dai 2 square into 5 square ting la ban ong ba denominator q kan dai 2 into 5 but mn dai kini power where mn are positive integers la ban dai 1 1 2 2 lani 2 3 kani dai kata ka required property jong q knang ba ka rational number kan dai terminating lada ka denominator dai 2 5 barbor kan dai terminating lani la ban dai rutang 2 lani la ban dai rutang 5 ka dai bet terminating lada dai dau 2 dau 5 ka rational number kam dai terminating ni pe nuksang ni subu 1 by 3 dai 2 lani 5 dan ni divide akan ni 3 into 0 dai 0 remainder 1 0.0 3 into 3 day 9 kamut u 3 into 3 day 9 3 by 1 repeat nginum yo ya ka terminating ka day non terminating repeating tang lada day denominator 2 into 5 lani 2 lani 5 ka day terminating blai shbut